we'll be using you moving forward 100%. It was very straightforward. The price was a lot cheaper than we previously have used just for the standard underpinning. And the process was a lot cleaner. It's less intrusive because you just drill it, injecting in kind of 2-3 meters down without kind of taking up the foundations or whatever. It was all very straightforward and easy, and it made the on-site a lot cleaner as well. I'm Alex Geobear. I live in Clapham. Did a project with Geobear. We're residential developers who brought a project, and we knew the front bay was shot, and traditionally we've also always used a kind of traditional underpinning process. And then I actually got recommended through another builder to use you guys. So yeah, the front bay was shot, so we needed to get that underpinned because we're selling it. So we needed the structurally sound to ensure that we could sell the property. So when the treatment occurred, I met them on site. It took, I got a call. I met them on site about 8 o'clock. I think I got a call back about 11, 7 more done. So I was a bit surprised by that. Luckily, we didn't have to do too much. We lifted the floors. We already had the floors lifted. And I think we were meant to sort out the concrete bit. We've never got to doing it, but you guys kindly sorted that. Got it done, installed within 2 hours, which I was pleasantly surprised by. I've already recommended them to another different developers, and I believe they may have got a contact.